Oh my god.
Surprise! Well. That was literally a shit show. I cannot believe my emotions, what I have gone through. This morning, when I woke up, I didn't want to get up. Usually I jump up out of bed. I didn't want to get up. I was like, my TikTok account is gone. And F it. I don't want to get up. I'm just going to lay here in bed and like just feel sad and sorry for myself and all that hard work to get 100,000 followers. I mean, all the hard work I've always done here on social media, and to be recognized by that one app, actually think I'm valuable and give me 100,000 followers. Whereas this one that I've been on for 8 years, like literally 2 years, from 2022 to 2024, I had like 0 new followers on Instagram. So yeah, tricks on me, huh? I mean, I don't know what kind of like, that was an effed up trick. They didn't want that trick to go on very long, obviously, because people were flooding to RedNote, which is a Chinese app, which is what originally Trump wanted to shut TikTok down because it was a Chinese app. So I knew that they didn't want millions of people running over to a fully Chinese app, RedNote. So they just wanted us to panic for a few hours, then brought everything back. It's just such a, wow. All right, so 2025, we are the year of being humble, being grateful for what we have, realizing what we have, and when it gets taken away, that we really appreciate it. So you've been humbled, I've been humbled, we've been humbled this year so far, 2025. What are you trying to tell us? Last night when I saw some of my favorite creators like say their goodbyes, I was emotional, especially like James Charles, like big ones, you know, that I followed for years, and to see them literally crying about how this app, TikTok, has changed their lives. It has. I mean, and I'm a small baby creator. I mean, I was just trying to not get upset. I think I was in denial because I was like, there's people who make their full-on living on there. But I did make a little promise to myself. I was like, if this app freaking comes back, if TikTok comes back, I'm joining the creator program, not just the shop. I'm going to start posting my videos. I'm going to start like really taking advantage of all the opportunities that TikTok gives you that Instagram does not give you. As creators, we need to work. So the tea is that American company bought like TikTok, half of TikTok. I don't know. It's not clear. We are not sure who bought TikTok or how, and the whole like Donald Trump saving it, whatever, stoops. But he was the one who wanted to shut it down in 2020. It's so stupid. But anyway, now Instagram is saying they're coming out with their own app called Edits, which I'm confused because I thought Zuckerberg was the one who bought TikTok, but now Instagram's saying that they're creating their own new Edits app. Will be exactly like TikTok. I don't know, but we learned our lesson, right? Like my daughter, for one, she didn't download any of her drafts. I was like, what? You didn't download your drafts? She's like, no, Mom, I didn't know. I go, you lost all your drafts, all your TikToks. So lesson learned there. All I know is I'm grateful. And I think a lot of us take advantage of things that we have. And I took advantage of that app. I would, just assuming it would always be there. And I did get a little bit nervous when I got to 100,000. I was so happy, but I was like, oh my God, could this app actually disappear? It's the only app that's really like pushed me out and let other people see my content. I don't know why Instagram has never wanted other people to see me, especially like the over 50 demographic. They don't even see me here. It's crazy. It's like, wow, I don't know what's going on. Anyway, it's almost like the longer you've been on social, on Instagram, the more they won't let anybody see you. It's such a bizarre situation. Anyway, I really, really want to embrace TikTok even more now because I'm grateful and, you know, I took it for granted. Yeah, so I don't know. Oh, what I think a lot of you guys here don't follow me on TikTok. And I think the reason is like, I don't know, I think TikTok has a bad rap, like it's a freaky app. But let me tell you, if you do decide to download it, and I hope you do and follow me there, once you get your like For You page the way you want it, it's so fun. Like you literally, I don't even use Google. I search everything I use it as a search engine, TikTok. And I search for, you name it, like anything, any video, anything that you don't know how to do, you literally can just search on TikTok. It's like way better than Google. And even if you search on Google, the first thing it'll bring up is TikTok videos. So it's the search engine. It's the biggest search engine. So it's not like Instagram, you guys. Download it, give it a chance, give it like a week. I'm telling you, you're going to be obsessed. I just feel like I've been through like a crazy experience and I'm back and I'm kind of like in shock. Wow. Anyway, that was my whole day. I didn't really get anything done. I had a campaign that I was working on with TikTok and I was like, oh, great. Well, that's canceled. I guess I'm not doing that campaign anymore. So I'm so happy that I still get to do my campaign with this brand because I was like, holy shit, like there's that job gone. Because, you know, we also work here. This is where we live and we love and we post. And okay, so back to why I love TikTok, because you can just say whatever the hell you want. It doesn't have to be aesthetic. Like Instagram, they want you to be aesthetic and you can't just jump on here and say whatever you want. I mean, you can on stories, but feed posts aren't really about that. And TikTok, it is. You just jump on and talk shit. Nobody cares. Yeah. So my mood is just weird. I just feel freaked out. Like, I'm like just recovering from shock. You know, like last night, like everybody was laughing and I was like, you guys, I was at my friend's house and my daughter and her sons and everything. And they were I was like, this is my career. Like, this is my life. There's nothing freaking funny about this. I work my fucking ass off, you know, and to get to a place where I could be recognized as an over 50 creator. So, alrighty. So there we are. I got to like do some videos on TikTok. I'm excited now because I did just join the Creator Fund. I was in it before, but I was kind of like half-ass in it. I wish Instagram would give us a way to make money. They took away our store last year, so I can't even, like, I used to have that cute Instagram store and people were actually buying from it, but then they took that away. So that's why people will go to TikTok. And the TikTok shop is good. But what a day. And you know, what's funny is like people who don't do social media, it's like such a bizarre, like, thing. They don't understand what goes into it. They don't understand the work behind it, and they don't like, oh, TikTok? I don't care. Like, I'm not even on TikTok. Yeah, but for those who know, you know. If you know, you know. And yeah. Oh, I love a lot of blush. I'm blushing. Oh, I did one of my own freaking workouts today because I was like, why not? Why don't you do one of your own workouts today? Fucking kick my ass. I'm not going to be able to walk tomorrow and I have ballet because it was all quads. I was like kind of insane back then. I mean, I worked out hard. Kind of impressed with myself. I was like, damn girl, you were like killing it. So how are you guys doing? How is life for you guys? I'm still seeing a lot of people posting about TikTok. Like, I literally thought I found like the secret to get it on my laptop. And everybody was like figuring out VPNs and stuff and how to, and I was like contacting my family in England like first thing in the morning. Like when I didn't want to get out of bed, I was like, wait, I have to ask my family if they can still see my TikTok account. Because we were thinking like it was going to shut down. We thought it was going to reopen like in a couple of days. And then, so we could appreciate it even more. But then we were thinking it might reopen, like fresh, like clean slate, like you have no videos, no followers. I thought it was going to be like that. I was kind of freaked out. And some people are into that. And I was like, I'm not into that. I don't want to start freaking over. Of course, there is probably going to be another new app. New apps will come up because that's life. We're always changing. All right. Well, with all of that being said, you guys, we're back. We're back. I'm gonna laugh. What a crazy experience that we have all gone through. So many people on TikTok who make their living on TikTok, not me, but many creators who do, and so many, wow, users. It's just been a crazy ass morning. So I'm just gonna do a glam eyeshadow look today because I'm like, why the hell not? It's been one of those days, and makeup makes me happy, and that's why I'm here, because makeup makes me happy, and it has made me happy for years and years and years. And since I was in probably 6th grade, 5th grade, and tried my first lipstick, I've been obsessed with makeup, and I shall continue. What a day. So what am I going to do today? I probably should do some cleaning. Don't want to do it. Don't want to clean. I do have to go grocery shopping because the food is constantly gone. When you have a teenager, there is no food ever. So there's that. I definitely need to get more food. I think I'm going to chill tonight. I am going to take a walk. I did that workout. Get a couple of chores done, look at some contracts, some work stuff, and like rethink my freaking life. Because when you get a scare like that, it does make you rethink your career, what your goals are. Like, do I want to focus more on TikTok? Like, what do I want to be as a creator? Like, how do I want to continue working as an over 50? Maybe I'll be led somewhere else. I really don't know. Maybe all of this is just leading me to something else. Again, I really appreciate you guys when you DM me, but don't fearmonger me. I don't like fearmongers. I don't like people who are negative, or I know people are always trying to like warn me about like how crazy shit is. Be careful, Samantha. You know what? I can't. I can't. I am careful, but I can't be that careful because it kills my creativity and also the way my mind thinks. I like to dream big. I like to stay positive, and I like to see the world a certain way, and I ain't gonna frickin' change, but I don't like it when people fearmonger me. So please don't put your stress onto me. Thank you. You guys, I have to look. I just saw this lipstick from Give Beauty. I was going through all my old. How freaking gorgeous is this color? It's like a poppy red. It's called Space Buns. What color is that? I'm dying to try it. I think I'm going to try it on TikTok. I think I'm going to make a TikTok and try this on. It's this beautiful orange. Oh my God, it's the same color as my nails. No wonder I love it. I never wear an orange, but I think I'm going to give TikTok a little surprise and make this video. But yeah, you guys will still see me here on stories. It's going to be interesting to see how everything changes and what's going to happen to this app, how this app is going to evolve and change. And because there's going to be a bunch of apps vying for all that audience, right? So stay tuned. All right, TikTok's back. If you guys are not on TikTok for some stupid reason because you think you can't handle another app, TikTok is the ultimate app. It's so much better than Instagram. Sorry, it just freaking is. It's so much better than YouTube. It doesn't have all those stupid algorithms and cover photos and all the stupid shit. Follow me on TikTok, you guys. If you're not on TikTok, follow me now. It's the best app ever. I'll link it right here. Oh, I'm so happy.
You can't get rid of me, bitch. I'm not going nowhere.